I want to do a very brief summary and comparison between galvanic and electrolytic cells. There are two different cells. One cell on the left-hand side, the galvanic cell, also known as the voltaic cells, will have a reaction from anode to cathode, or the oxidation to the reduction process that is spontaneous. So in this voltmeter over here, you'll notice that there's going to be a positive E naught, or positive cell potential. The anode and also the cathode are separated. And this process is going to generate electricity. On the electrolytic cell side, however, this side is not spontaneous, meaning electron moving from the anode to the cathode, though the travel is the same, requires some kind of energy, or in this case, a help of the battery. The anode and cathode does not have to be in a separate cell container. They could be in one cell. Also, this does not give us electricity, but you need to add electricity in order for this to occur. So the galvanic cell versus electrolytic cell, they look much similar in that there's an anode side, there's a cathode side, there's oxidation and reduction happening, but the main difference is one is giving you electricity. It's a very spontaneous process. The other one, you need some kind of battery in order to pull the electron out and to donate it for the reduction process.